Is your Windows 11 PC running out of storage? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to free up disk space and improve your PC's performance in just a few simple steps. First, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Click System, then select Storage. Windows will show you what's taking up the most space. Click Temporary Files, wait for the scan to finish, then select the files you want to remove. Leave Downloads unchecked unless you're sure you no longer need those files. Now, click Remove Files to free up space instantly. Next, go back to the storage page and turn on Storage Sense. This feature automatically removes temporary files and helps keep your storage clean over time. If you still need more space, open the Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, and launch the app. Select your C drive and click OK. Then choose Clean Up System Files. Check options like Windows Update Cleanup, Temporary Internet Files, and Delivery Optimization Files. Then click OK and delete files. Finally, if your storage is still almost full, go to Settings, Apps, then Installed Apps, and uninstall any programs you no longer use. That's it! You've successfully freed up disk space on your Windows 11 PC. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Windows 11 tips and tutorials.